In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Chase account locked out problem. Now there can be a few scenarios to this. Firstly, if you are locked out due to too many incorrect password attempts, you simply need to head over to the login page, and right here on the bottom you should be able to see the option called forgot username or password. This will allow you to reset your credentials by providing your details such as your social security number. Now if this is not the case for you, and if this is the case of locked out due to suspicious activities on the home screen, you should be able to see a similar interface where you could directly contact the support, or if this option is straight away not visible, you could just open up your web browser, search for Chase technical support line, where you'd be able to see a number being displayed, which is the automatic line. And once the robot answers your call, you need to clearly speak out or say that you need to speak to the online security team or the fraud department team. So depending upon your case, as I said, you need to follow one of these options. Lastly, there can be also a third case, which is just happening due to app glitches. In this situation, just reinstall the application of Chase onto your device. So that's the way on how you can do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.